everybody. In this video, I'd like to kick off a brand new series on the Dart programming language. Dart programming language was created by Google for the web and mobile applications. In the next few videos, I'll cover things like types and variables, functions, classes and object orientation, lists and maps, finally error handling. I'd also like to let you guys know that I've made one of my popular videos on upgradable smart contracts available as a free download. Follow the link below to get your copy. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.